Hello my YouTube family. Welcome back in Sheetal's kitchen. It's a weekend and weekend is always exciting for me to make something different food for kids and make them happy. So lately it's a rainy and it's a cold, feel like to eat something street food. And once it's a street food comes in my mind, feel like to eat Manchurian. How about we can make today Manchurian burger? Sounds yummy? Yes. So I'm going to explain what we need for this Manchurian burger. I just had twist a little bit in this burger because I'm going to use avocado spread. Sounds yummy? Yes, can't wait. I'm going to explain what we need for this recipe. For Manchurian, we need 1/4 cup each chopped capsicum, carrot, cabbage, and cauliflower. Also we need 1/2 teaspoon each salt and pepper. 1/4 teaspoon we need vinegar. 2 teaspoon ketchup. 1 teaspoon corn flour. 1 teaspoon sweet chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste, 2 tablespoon white flour, and 3 teaspoon chili sauce. So first we're going to make Manchurian balls. For Manchurian balls, I'm going to use all these vegetable, colorful vegetable, and then we're going to fry them. And then I'm going to make avocado spread. So it's all chopped colorful vegetable. And all dry and wet ingredients, Manchurians. And this is everybody's favorite. Kids like, and we all like as well. And it's healthy too because it's got all sorts of vegetable and some vinegar. So I'm going to mix all of them together, and then I'm going to make nice ball, and then we're going to fry them. So this mixture is ready. Now we're going to fry. In medium flame, we're going to fry Manchurian. In medium flame, I fried until it's nice golden brown color. So this Manchurian ball is ready. Manchurian ball is ready, nice golden brown and smells so yum. Now we're going to make avocado spread. It's very simple. So 1 avocado, tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, lemon juice, and some salt. Now I'm going to blend everything together. This avocado spread is ready, Manchurian is ready, and let's we make now burger. It's so easy recipe and it's so yum. And when you feel like to go and eat in a restaurant, this is the best one that you can have at home and you have a restaurant feeling. So first I'm going to spread this avocado spread, and then some nice green salad, and then Manchurian, then onion, tomatoes, and cheese. Nice yummy cheese. And this burger is ready. Nice yummy burger. Okay. This yummy Manchurian burger with avocado spread is ready. And it's so easy in a weekend, something treat for kids and for us as well. So if you like this dish and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and family, and they can enjoy their weekend with Manchurian burger. So I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, be happy.